Chief Warrant Officer 4, Michael Rodriguez, MICHAEL-RODRIGUEZ. VMM 363, Red Lions. So my title here is the Maintenance Material Control Officer. So I'm responsible for the overall maintenance of the aircraft, the requirements for emerald gear, tooling, and supply. So the Operation Officer puts out a flight schedule, and then my task is to make sure we have the aircraft that can accomplish that tasking. ITX is an area or a section where we can do some training to get our crews qualified in order to make sure we can complete the mission where we're forward. Anywhere in the world, Kuwait, Afghanistan, Iraq, this is premium training ground for us out here at ITX. And this is what we're doing. We're building qualified air crews out here. For the ITX experience, I mean, it's cold nights, warm days. It's an environment close to what we've seen in Afghanistan and Iraq. Some of the comfort features are better than there, but the scenery, it's pretty much the same. The MV-22 Osprey aircraft, it has combined mission sets, CASEVAC, troop inserts, raids, trap missions, aerial refueling, ground refueling. We could take a section of Cobras out, put them on the deck, refuel those, and get them a longer time in the air with the capabilities that we present to them. When we come out here, the training we accomplish gets us ready for when we go to forward, when we're going forward. A lot of this training we can't do back at Miramar, we can't do on the East Coast. We need a desert environment. One of the big pluses is the dust out here with our landings. When we come down in, we need to train in an environment that is what we're going to be in, such as Kuwait, with an environment once we land on the deck, you're going to have no visibility. If we can get those crews qualified and confident, then when we go out there, we'll be able to complete our mission easily. Prior to here, I was with Marine Aviation Logistics 24, combined unit, Navy, Marine Corps, and it's different than being just in a Marine unit. You learn a lot about the sister services. It made me better as an officer, made me better as a Marine to be able to work with Navy and Marines. And then prior to that, I worked in a Knott Center schoolhouse in Pensacola, where we are combined Navy and Marines. And a very good experience. I would recommend if anybody had the chance to do it also. So for joint operations here with the Air Force being here, the only really thing we do is support each other maintenance-wise. If there's something I can help them out, or they can help us. And that's the real tie that we have with each other out here when it comes to other services.